everyone, welcome back. In this video we would learn how to solve the practice problem front back transformation. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given a string. Let's take AVNEET. Okay, so what do we need to do is we need to print this string in reverse order. What kind of reverse orders? Check that out. Basically, for example, I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, then U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now I have all these alphabets. Right now I have done it for lowercase, but we need to consider a situation in which we would have uppercase alphabets as well. Okay, now what do we need to do is, for example, if I have A in my string, in the given string, then I need to print from the back side what could replace A. Okay, like A is the first one over here, so it would be replaced by the last one in the alphabetic order. So that means A would be replaced by Z. So instead of A, it should be Z. Now similarly, if I have V over here, okay, now see, V is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now over here 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically V would be replaced by E. Similarly, like this, I need to print the given string in a reverse order. Like front back transformation means I am given some alphabets, I need to print them in the reverse order according to their values. Now how to solve this question? For solving this question, we need to consider the Unicode values. Okay, so we need to consider Unicode values, and remember we need to consider both situations, if I have an uppercase alphabet or if I have a lowercase alphabet. So it is for both uppercase as well as lowercase. Okay, so I need to work out with Unicode. Okay, so according to Unicode of every alphabet, I would be doing the transformation. This is how we would solve the question. Now remember, maybe in the string I do not only have alphabets, okay, maybe I have numeric values or maybe I have some symbols, right? So I need to ignore those numeric values and symbols. Okay, I do not need to print their reverse or anything. Okay, if I come across a numeric value or if a symbol, I need to just ignore them and continue the transformation from the next value. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you, what we are trying to do and how we would do it. So now let's move forward to the code part. So guys, what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the filters section, you need to scroll down. 1 minute. After scrolling down in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem front back transformation copy. Okay, this is the problem that we are solving today. Once you find it, you need to click on solve. 1 minute, let me open it. Just 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Okay, now it is open. Now let's check out the question. Okay, given a string S consisting only of English alphabets, replace all the alphabets with the alphabets occurring at the same position when counted in the reverse order of alphabets. For example, A would be replaced by Z. Okay, B would be replaced by Y, C would be replaced by X, and so on. Any capital letter would be replaced by the capital letter only. Okay, if I have capital A, so it would be replaced by capital Z only. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. Now we would be coding it over here. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear with the question, and now let's move forward to the code part. Okay, so let's start. Over here, first I would take a empty string. Okay, after this I would be checking the for loop. I need to start a for loop, okay, for the given string. Okay, now I need to apply two Unicodes, right? One for the lowercase values, one for the uppercase values, right? So let's start with the lowercase one. Okay, so if, then I need to write order, then I, okay, is less than 91. Okay, it's less than 91, and 1 minute, and order 1 minute, order of I is greater than 64. Okay, so this is the range between which I would find all the lowercase alphabets. Okay, so the range is from 90 to, basically let's write it like this, the range is from 65 to 90. Okay, between this range I would get lowercase alphabets. Okay, let's move forward. If this is the range, then what do I need to do? I need to add the reverse values, right? So reverse values would be character. Okay, now I need to write 90 minus whatever is the order, right? 90 is the last value, that is Z, right? So I minus 65. Okay, so this is for the lowercase alphabets, and I hope it is clear to you, right? Just 1 minute, let me check if it is written clearly. Okay, so order, then let me just add a bracket over here to make it more reasonable. Okay, so this is for the lowercase part. Now I need to do the same thing for uppercase, right? So let's do it. So 1 minute, else if, okay, in else if I need to start with different values, right? Order of I, okay, if order of I is less than 123 and circular brackets, if order of I is between, that is greater than 96, okay, and if it is greater than 96, that means it is a uppercase alphabet. So then in S, I need to add the character that ranges between 123 minus order circular bracket I minus, that is 96. Basically let's take 97, you know, over here it's 65, so it should be 97 and it should be 122. 1 minute, let's do 122. Okay, now this is for the else if condition for uppercase. Now if I do not have a uppercase alphabet or a lowercase alphabet, for example, if I have a numeric value, I can directly just add it back in the string, right? So for that would be the else condition, and this should be elif. 1 minute, elif, and over here it would be the else condition, and in else I would just write S plus equal to whatever is the value, right? Now finally my answer is stored in S, so I need to return with S, right? So let's just return with S. Okay, now to check if this is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. Just 1 minute, let's check, let's wait. The compilation is done and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Okay, so let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem, front back transformation copy. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.